Welcome to this tutorial on speeding up Simulink. In this session, we will explore Fast Restart. Fast Restart enables performing iterative simulations without repeatedly compiling the model or terminating the simulation. This is particularly useful when tuning parameters, achieving a desired response, or automating testing, as it eliminates the need for recompilation, saving time and improving efficiency. We will demonstrate how Fast Restart can enhance the simulation performance using an example. The Fast Restart button is located in the Simulation tab in Simulink. In this example, we will run the Simulink model 5 times and compare the performance with and without Fast Restart enabled. First, we disable Fast Restart and run the simulations. During each run, Simulink checks if the model has been updated. We record the total elapsed time, along with the average initialization time and execution time for the simulations. Next, we enable Fast Restart and run the simulations. During the first simulation with Fast Restart enabled, the model is compiled. After the simulation completes, the status bar indicates that the model is now compiled in Fast Restart mode. While Fast Restart is active, the simulation status changes to restarting, and the Simulink editor becomes frozen, similar to when the model is compiling or initializing. After running the simulations with Fast Restart, the average initialization time is significantly reduced compared to the runs without Fast Restart. This demonstrates how Fast Restart minimizes the overhead of repeated model compilation, thereby improving simulation efficiency. This chart summarizes the simulation performance for the baseline, cache files without Fast Restart, and enabling Fast Restart, comparing initialization time and execution time. In this example, we observe that enabling Fast Restart improves performance significantly, making it 4 times faster than running simulations without Fast Restart enabled. In the previous example, we ran the simulations 5 times. As shown in this chart, based on additional experiments, increasing the number of simulation runs leads to even greater performance improvements, demonstrating the cumulative benefits of using Fast Restart. With Fast Restart, we can adjust tunable parameters in the model, such as the gain value of a gain block or root-level input values. Additionally, we can modify variables in the base workspace without requiring the model to recompile. In this example, once the model is compiled with Fast Restart, we adjust a tunable parameter, such as the mass of the loads. However, non-tunable parameters cannot be adjusted with Fast Restart. For example, changes to the Simulink bus structure or sample time require the model to recompile because they fundamentally alter the model configuration. Cache files and Fast Restart can significantly improve initialization performance, but how to improve the execution performance? Stay tuned for the next session to find out.